Hi guys! Today we're going to look at how we can reuse an image at different sizes using a technique called 9 slicing. Okay, we've created a new project and added some free UI assets from the Assets store. We'll add a UI panel by clicking the plus button on the hierarchy and selecting UI Panel. We'll add a 20 pixel margin around the panel. Then we'll set the source image to frame big. We'll also change the colour, increasing the alpha value to 255. Now we can see that the image has been stretched across the screen. If we change the resolution of the screen, we can see the dimensions of the image change and it gets all distorted. We're going to fix this issue by slicing the image into 9 segments. We'll find and select the image in the Assets panel. We need to set the mesh type to full rect for 9 slicing to work properly. Then we'll click Apply to save the changes. Next, we need to open the sprite editor. If you don't have the 2D sprite package in your project, then you'll need to add it from the package manager to be able to open this. From here, we can drag the borders on the sprite to split it into 9 segments. By doing this, when the image is resized, the corners will stay exactly as they are. The left and right edges will stretch or tile vertically. The top and bottom edges will stretch or tile horizontally. And the centre will stretch or tile vertically and horizontally. Once we're happy with the settings, we'll click Apply. Next, we can go back to the panel and set the image type to Sliced. You can see the corners now look much better. We'll set the pixels per unit multiplier to 3 to shrink the image a little. Now when we change the resolution, the image doesn't get distorted. The corners remain the same size and the edges stretch but remain the same thickness. We can also change the image type to Tiled, which will tile the image segments rather than stretching them. This image isn't a good fit for tiling, so we'll change it back to Sliced. This technique is really useful for UI elements, but also can be used on sprites when making 2D games. Okay, that covers everything for this video. A big thank you to all our patrons, we really appreciate you helping to support the channel. If you'd like to help and also get access to the source code, you can find details in the description. Please leave any questions or feedback in the comments and subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss the next one. Thanks guys!